Time now for Jeff's Car Culture.
You bet. This is going to be informative for you. We all, you see ambulances going down the road. People sometimes
You ever been in the back of an ambulance?
No, sometimes they don't get out of the way, and it's very frustrating, and it kind of ticks me off that somebody's in there for a reason. So ambulances are made all over the world, with different countries, different regions having their own manufacturing, their own specifications. Typically, ambulances are made in 2 stages. The first manufacturer takes the chassis. The second modifies the vehicle to include the necessary emergency equipment. In the United States, ambulances are classified into 4 types, each with different specifications and purposes. Several companies manufacture ambulances in the U.S., including American Emergency Vehicles, Braun Industries, and Horton Ambulance, among others. Those are the primary ones in the U.S. There's several across the world. These companies play a crucial role in providing emergency medical services with the necessary vehicle, ensuring that the patients receive prompt and effective care during their medical emergency. The customization options offered by these manufacturers enable the EMS providers to design ambulances that meet their unique needs and their budgets. The first stage of manufacturing involves the initial construction of the chassis, which forms the foundational structure of the ambulance. This stage typically entails the fabrication of a light or medium-duty truck chassis, cabs, or full-size van. Reputable automobile companies such as Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Ford, Toyota are often chosen for this purpose in providing the reliable base for the subsequent modifications. The second stage of manufacturing involves modifying the chosen vehicle meet the specification requirements of an ambulance. This stage is carried out by a second manufacturer known as the second stage manufacturer. Go figure, Mike. They take the incomplete vehicle lacking a body or interior behind the driver's seat and transform it into a full-fledged ambulance. This process can be done through 2 methods: coach building or modular system integration. In the U.S., there are 4 types. Type 1 ambulances are mounted on a truck chassis with a custom module on the back. They're used primarily for advanced life support and rescue work. They're available in 4-wheel drive and are a good choice for difficult driving conditions.
Oh, my God. There's Danny's Dodge van that we all used to go around in. Yeah.
Danny, I love him. He's a great guy.
Yeah.
Type 2 ambulances
Smoked
are typically, not in that van, typically van-style vehicles with basic patient care features. They're used for hospital-to-hospital transport and can also be used in a 911 rescue work. They offer better gas mileage than the other types of ambulances, specifically diesel. These Type 3 are built using a van chassis with the roof raised. Who hasn't raised a roof in a van? Come on. Type 3 ambulances are similar to Type 1, but use a van cutaway chassis instead of a truck chassis.
Look at that one right there. That's a short bus, any way you look at it.
There you go. The cab and body are integrated with a larger opening between the cab and module, allowing for easier movement in items and the personnel. These ambulances are available in 2-wheel drive using regular gasoline. Now, the 4th version, or the Type 4 they're talking about, is for patient transfers as smaller vehicles, for smaller environments, small crowds, and things of like that nature. But that's a Pontiac right there on the screen. And my favorite is this last one. Check this out. That's a Buick, baby.
That's a Buick.
Now, for all intents and purposes, be cautious around ambulances. Get out of the way when you see them coming. Leave your blood donation at the Red Cross and not on the highway.
Very nice. Well, I have to tell you that back in my day, it was things like the Buick, the Pontiac, any kind of a station
Cadillac.
wagon.
You bet.
You know, the guy, the actual medic that's back there, of course, the patient's laying down. The medic's all hunched over because the roof is so low.
Yep, exactly. But be careful when you're out there, and a little bit of information if you ever wonder, and just check it out.
Driving.